Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a stunning Yamaha YB1 2-stroke 50. These are getting very rare now, especially in this type of condition. Single cowl seat, makes it kind of that retro styling from 1999. And if you look online, you know, you get the Yamaha FS1s or Fizzies as they're known. They're going for upwards of 7,000–8,000 euros, and you know, you can get something like this which essentially has the same engine, looks very similar for, you know, under half the price, and the value in this can be seen throughout. It's in really nice nick, and been looked after nicely by us, brought in by us originally as well, sold out and then taken back in. Front tyre is perfect, we've done a service on her as well. Front mudguard is good, little signs of pitting in her. Front shocks are good as well. Front headlight is nice, indicators original. Low mileage on it at only 10,000. Classic clocks. The switch gear is all in nice condition as well. Original mirrors. Tank is the two-tone tank, the cherry red kind of and cream color combination. Left hand side tank is perfect. Very minor little scrapings here, but again, they're not only seen only in certain light, and through the top is really good as well. Seat is in perfect condition except for a little bit of a hole at the rear here, but it's been covered, but good overall. Chain guard present, all really nice in chrome. The side panels again all really good. Rear mudguard good as well in chrome, no signs of pitting on the rear. 1999 bike. Rear tire is perfect as well. Again, this bike will be 24 years old, and the condition of it is really good. Spoked wheels are good, exhaust perfect, no signs of rusting. Engine cover casings and kind of oil cooler, which is actually the airbox, in a really nice condition. The right hand side of the tank is perfect as well, and we have everything else here really nice. So that's it for the walk around on the Yamaha YB1. Okay, we're on to the Yamaha YB1. Ignition on, kickstart out, and look at that, first kick. Two-stroke madness. Side stand up. I believe the gears are all down, and that they are. Clutch on the left hand side. Front left indicator working there. Front right indicator working. Horn working nicely, mirrors looking good. Oh, sorry. So I have to get used to the gears. Give her a bit of time to warm up as well. Into third gear. I believe a 4-speed bike. Up to 40 kilometers an hour. Very good. Right indicator on. Into first. But yeah, all very good. I love these bikes. They're absolutely gorgeous little things. I'm not going to absolutely rev the nuts off her. She is 2-stroke and it's cold out. It's very cold bike, and I don't want to rev the nuts off her. I didn't really get enough time to properly warm her up and get this out nicely for you guys. But look at that, going through all the gears, fuel gauge there as well. I mean, I'm only doing quarter throttle here and we're up to nearly 50 kilometers an hour out of a 50. Really quite remarkable considering its age as well. So if you made it this far into the video, it would be greatly appreciated if you could leave a like, comment and subscribe. I really would appreciate it. We're nearly at 10,000 subscribers. Again, nothing to fault on this bike, everything working, lights, indicators, brakes, front and rear, going through all the gears, clutch working. So if you have enjoyed the video, again, like, comment and subscribe, and if You do want to reach out to us. Our social medias are at Retro Bikes Dublin for Instagram and Facebook, and our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com. Thanks for watching.